Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford C-Max. It could be any generation Ford C-Max, but we'll demonstrate on generation from year 2012 to year 2019. If you guys have problems with the heater blower motor not working, we'll explain in this video how you can test it, test the different speeds, find out okay what's wrong. Most of the times it could be even resistor, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain how you can manually activate it and test the blower motor itself. If the blower motor blows really high, it increases the speeds but you don't have airflow, we will explain what else can cause that, which is super simple fix as well. So let's explain now. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically guys, right here we have a 2013 Ford C-Max that we'll be demonstrating on. So let's go ahead and explain how to do that. Doesn't matter if you have the climate control system, dual climate control, single climate control, it's the same. You need to find your OBD port on that Ford C-Max specifically. Okay, is located right here, and if you come, this is guys the OBD port. The device that we'll be using, it's the Thing 2 right here. I'll put the link in the description of the video below exactly which one it is. This is practically a dealer level equipment guys, almost close to dealer level equipment. You can even do programming, access every computer system, and that C-Max alone probably has more than 30 systems. Some cars have even more than 50. Turn the ignition switch on, okay? Turn the ignition switch on. As you can see, I even have the module, the heating mode, the climate control functions here turned off. It doesn't matter what it is, you can turn them on and off. But right here I go to system diagnostics, it will read the VIN number, decode it, tell us that we have a 2013 Ford C-Max, which makes it super convenient guys. That way you don't have to manually select all that stuff. You can see it's going to decode it. So now we're going to go ahead, okay, and wait for it, okay, to actually follow the instructions. It said set ignition switch on. Ours is already on. It will establish communication with all the computer systems in that car, and this is the premium version, so it has more systems. You will see system selection here. Watch all the computers that are located in that Ford C-Max. That's ridiculous guys, that's why you need a tool like that. Put in the glove box. If you're on the road, something happen, you can always find out okay what it is. Go to HVAC, heating, ventilation, air conditioning. Now we're going to go to activation test and blower motor speed right here guys. Under blower motor speed, okay, here under data stream, okay, you can see the different things that you can check. For instance, you can put the speed of the motor. We can, let's see, put the fan here. Oh, that's the switches actually for the fan, so we don't need that one. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and select okay. Here now guys, if I click plus sign, okay, the blower motor will start blowing at about 10%, okay. Now it's going to about 20%. You will be able, okay, give me just 1 second, you'll be able to feel it even if everything's off. I'm at 30-40%, so now at 30% I can feel it through the vents because the vents were set to blow here. But you can actually even turn the climate control on if you want to. Oh, it won't even let me access it because we're doing the tests, so it automatically turned it off. And now I'm at 30%. The actual blower motor speed, it's 29.3, so that's pretty close, that's great. Now I'll go to 40%. You can see 50%, 60. You'll be able to feel the blower motor increasing. 70. At 70 I'm blowing at 68.89, so that's pretty close. Going at about 80% now, guys. 90% extremely blowing. 100% is the last step. So that blower motor fan is working, guys. Okay. Now, what can cause if you don't get airflow but you hear a noise? It could be problems with the actuation flap that switches where the air to go to, or it could be a dirty cabin air filter that's clogged up really bad as well. So that's how we do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.